Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today I'm gonna meet up with a friend of mine and yeah, we might stroll around some shops, so I thought I'd take you along. And because I have a little time to spare before I ought to head out, I thought I'd quickly show you what I take along when I go into the city. And I'm not quite sure yet which bag I'm gonna take either. I think it's called the My Lock Me Tote, my one and only Louis Vuitton leather handbag, but it's quite big and I don't know how long we're gonna be in the city, so with stuff inside it might get a little too heavy. And I mean, it does come with the shoulder strap, but I prefer to not use the shoulder strap. I guess I'm gonna go with my Chanel Jumbo Classic Flap. Kind of boring, especially because my outfit in general is quite boring. It's gray and black, but that's kind of my uniform, so yeah, I guess I'm gonna take my Jumbo. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. I mean, as beautiful as these like Chanel cases are, that the sunglasses obviously come in originally, they take up so much space inside a handbag, especially, yeah, I mean the Jumbo isn't really a small handbag, but still takes up quite a bit of room, so yeah. And yeah, that's about it. Pretty straightforward and not too overstuffed. There we go, and let's go shopping. And it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. I've always kind of liked the Rive Gauche tote by Saint Laurent, not so much the black one, because as you might be able to tell in the video, it seems to attract lint and yeah, all these kind of fuzzies pretty easily, but the beige or like, yeah, off-whitish color looks really beautiful. And then we went to Fendi. This is the new Fendi bag that came out pretty recently and it's been all over Instagram, and also it does come in a smaller size, but it was sold out already because yeah, it's pretty popular apparently, but yeah, kind of a fun shape. Then we went to Chloé, or like a shop-in-shop Chloé, in a multi-brand boutique, and I think I mentioned in one of my videos from last year that I kind of like the Chloé test bag. This is I think it's the smaller size. It does come in a bigger size, but they didn't have that one in stock. Also, the color is perfect for fall or autumn. Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see me too. And then we went to Bvlgari. I had been wanting to go into the boutique for quite a while at this point, but for some reason I always just passed by it and kind of felt intimidated, I guess. Anyway, we went in and the SA was so lovely. He took so much time talking us through the different styles of handbags. Obviously, we went inside because we were interested in the handbags, and yeah, this one I did try on the smaller size and also the bigger size with the black metal chain in front and then the thick shoulder strap. So beautiful. Also the leather felt amazing, and I mean, Bvlgari is known for their jewelry and that's what they come from, and it definitely reflects in the handbags. I mean, the hardware, you can hardly call it hardware, it's more like jewelry on a handbag. Obviously you have the signature serpentine head as the closure, and the attention to detail is just second to none. And yeah, as I said, it's basically like having a piece of jewelry on your handbag. We can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do, you got me going on. And just like that, I'm back in my apartment. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I thought I'd quickly show you what I was able to take home with me. Yes, this is my first ever Bvlgari purchase. And as you might be able to tell from the size of the shopping bag, it's not a handbag yet, although I'm very much intrigued, as you might have been able to tell from, yeah, what I've talked about earlier. I mean, the craftsmanship and the attention to details, especially on the hardware items on the handbags, is just impeccable. It's basically like jewelry on a handbag. Talking about jewelry though, I did pick up a little something. Okay, this is obviously the receipt, and I think the authenticity certificate is inside this box right here. So let's do a little real-time unboxing. I basically just came home about 20 minutes ago, and I thought before I get into my comfy clothes, I might as well do a true unboxing of this beauty right here. Gorgeous box in this coppery greenish gold color, really beautiful. Okay, I hope everything's in focus. There we go. Tiny little dust bag. Ah yeah, right. Inside of this envelope is the authenticity certificate, where the SA, I think, entered the date of purchase and, well, let's see, location, store name, date of purchase, reference code, serial number. So yeah, okay, he left blank the serial number. I guess the serial number only applies to handbags, possibly. I don't think he forgot to enter it. If jewelry items came with a serial number, I bet he would have filled that in as well. So finally, to reveal, I hope you can see it. I'm gonna insert some close-ups. Yes, it does look quite a bit like my Cartier Trinity bracelet right here, but obviously with the signature serpentine head. And I mean, I guess after listening to me gushing about the hardware and the attention to details on the handbags, I just couldn't leave the store empty-handed, and I've been eyeing this particular bracelet for quite a while at this point, and yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful. One thing I do want to mention, although I didn't specifically ask about it, is that I don't think you can exchange the cords. Obviously, as most of you will know, on the Cartier Trinity bracelet you can go into the boutique as many times as you want and just have them replace the cord in a different color, for example. I don't think that's an option with this bracelet, but I mean, I specifically went for red because I really love the red color. They did have a dark green, which was really beautiful, and I recently listened to Harry Potter on Audible, and that color definitely reminded me of Slytherin, especially obviously with the snake head and everything. But I don't know, dark green is a little harder to match with outfits. Plus, I guess from having my Cartier Trinity bracelet in dark red most of the times, I definitely need to go to the boutique and exchange the cord. I think I've been wearing my red cord for almost a year at this point. I definitely need to change into something more colorful maybe, or yeah, just something different. Anyway, yeah, I'm really used to a dark red color, and I just love this bracelet. Apart from the dark green, they also had a yellow, which was, I mean, it's a pretty color, but again, really tricky to pair with outfits. And I think they also had a lime green, which was leaning towards the neon kind of colorway, so not really my cup of tea. But yeah, this one is really beautiful, and yeah, I thought I'd just quickly unbox and show you what I got. And I do have a feeling maybe this year, definitely next year, I'm gonna go for a Serpentine Forever bag because they're just so beautiful. And also, again, the customer service was just impeccable. I was raving about the Dior customer service when I went to Berlin a couple of months ago at this point, but yeah, Bvlgari is very, very up there as well. No line in front of the store, and yeah, the SA took so much time talking about the history and the thoughts behind the designs of certain bags. It was just overall a perfect experience, and I'm really glad that I finally got my first Bvlgari piece. And obviously they're known for jewelry, more so for their fine jewelry, which this one isn't. But yeah, I'm gonna start small, and I think a Bvlgari handbag is definitely in the cards for me in the near-ish future. I hope, at least. Anyway, Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope, yeah, my shopping vlog was interesting. I hope it wasn't too all over the place. There was some Fendi and some Chloé, obviously Bvlgari, and yeah, some bits and pieces here and there, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. That would help me out so much. And yeah, I guess that does it for today's video. Have an amazing rest of your week, and until next time, bye.